spoke, and it began with light from just your hand. Creator, King, you still command. From stars above to seas below, you formed the world with perfect flow. Every mountain, every tree whispers your authority. I stand in awe of all you've done. You made the earth, you shaped the sun. Creator, King, you paint the skies with endless power and design. Every breath and life I bring belongs to you, my everything. You're not just maker of the world I see. You're Lord of all, Creator, King. You breathed and man became alive, a masterpiece with soul and mind. Even when we walked away, your mercy rode another day. From dust to glory we arise, because of love that never dies. Creator, King, you paint the skies with endless power and design. Every breath and life I breathe belongs to you, my everything. You're not just maker of the world I see. You're Lord of all, Creator, King. All creation joins the song. Heaven shouts, you still belong to every heart, to every land. You're still the one who holds it all in hand. Creator, King, I lift my eyes to honor you with all my life. Every praise and song I sing declares you rule everything. You shape the world yet care for me.